how's it going? Today we're going to draw a crazy skull, Halloween style, okay? There's going to be 4 beginners, step by step, okay? So let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a circle over here for one eye. So where the eyes are actually going to be in there. I'll go over here to the other eye. Gonna go the top over here for the brow. Top over here for the brow. Line across. Down. Down over here. Line across over here for kind of the nasal cavity. I'm gonna go over here and draw the eye. Circle. Over here on this side. Circle. Over here, draw line over here, up. Line over here, up. Dot. Dot right there. Gonna go out over here and curve over here for the cheekbone. Curve over here for the cheekbone. Let's go over for the top of the head, right? It's like a dome. Down. If you have issues drawing this kind of stuff, don't forget to go check out the beginner drawing lesson at sketchingeasy.com. Sketchingeasy.com. There's a beginner lesson on there to teach you how to make clean lines, because clean lines can completely change everything about your drawing. So absolutely go check that out when you have time. Gonna go over here, down, down, curve. One more, 2 more curves right there. Line up, down for the kind of the pinching right here from the zygomatic arch, which is the cheekbone. Gonna go over here to the bottom, little humps, curve underneath, line over here. And I'm gonna fill this area in right there, the rest of it, because you're gonna see the side wall of the the nasal cavity. Small line at the top. And now that we have this base, now we can draw detail. So for example, I'm gonna draw thinner bags under the eyes, right? Got that spooky skull. By the way, what are you guys gonna do for Halloween? I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I have to figure that out. No clue what I'm doing for Halloween. Gotta figure that out. Line down over here. Curve at the top. Down, down, down. Curve underneath here. Lines over here. And all these lines are thinner. The reason they're thinner is because they're meant to be detail. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. All these thin lines are completely meant to be detail oriented. I'm gonna keep the teeth like that. Actually, I like that because I was actually gonna draw in the actual thing. But what we can do is we make it a little bit darker on the cheekbone. Over here on this side. Curve underneath. Let's just go over here and draw in like maybe the dark over here on the side of the head. There tends to be a pit right there. Go over here as well. If you really want, you can throw in little cracks. Certain areas of the skull, right? This is more Halloween-esque. I have no clue what I'm going to dress up like for Halloween this year. I'm trying to figure that out. Don't forget to check out the new stickers. I'm going to put them in the store there. Go check them out. Line over here. Line over here. Somebody told me that they are going to be a vampire. That's pretty cool. I like that. Curve along, like, see, so now everything, like it says, detailed base. So I'm going to curve along the sides here. Line over here. Just kind of throwing these things for dimension, these thin lines. over here. It's kind of creating some darker areas to give it a little bit more depth, and honestly it gives it a lot more detail, so that's kind of the good parts about that, to be honest. So line over here, and then the rest of it, like it says, is sprinkling of stuff. Last thing I do is I'm going to give it a thick outline just on the outside. This is what's good about the control part, right? Go to sketchingeasy.com for that. So like learn how to get control. That's what's really going to give you control, is kind of doing some simple exercises that I teach over there. I'm all scratched up because of my dog. Dog scratched me. Alright, kind of keep going over here. I'll keep moving. Curve over here. Kind of get a little bit thicker right here. Usually if I want like some extra thick, it'll be like on the bottom part, because you know the sun rises, right? So usually there's like direct light sources coming from above. Right on. And that's mostly it. I'm gonna give maybe the pupils a little bit bigger in the eye. Pupils are the dark spots of the eye. Line over here. Line over here. And that's it. I want to thank you very much for watching. You are amazing, and I will talk to you in the very next video, okay? Talk to you soon, and I'll really, you can always say hi. If you want to spread the Halloween cheer, share the video, okay? So stay spooky, and I'll talk to you next time.